inside, crossing state lines before the morning rain. I guess the time has finally come to find a place where we belong. We can take that train, heading anywhere today. It doesn't matter where we are, we'll count the miles one by one. A million stars cutting through the dark before we ride into the sun. We can run that train all summer long and dance out in the rain. When everything is said and done, we can ride that midnight train. Well, we keep on dreaming visions and we're seeing of another life. We can settle down in a small town beneath the southern sky. Moonlight dancing on your face, out here in this open space. We can take that train, heading anywhere tonight. It doesn't matter where we are, we'll count the miles one by one. A million stars counting through the dark before we ride into the sun. We can run that train all summer long and dance out in the rain. When everything is said and done, we can ride that midnight train. Miles one by one, million stars counting through the dark before we ride into the sun. We can ride that train all summer long and dance out in the rain. When everything is said and done, we can ride that midnight train. Midnight train, midnight train.